So this is the Ivation Dehumidifier. I bought this one to treat this wet, very humid bathroom. So let's open it up. Manual, power adapter, Okay, we're going to put this in this corner, right beside the toilet bowl. Connect the power. On back. That's already out. Okay, put this right here. And we'll turn on the power. It is now working. We're going to come back and see how this works. Okay, so it's been about an hour, so let's see how well it is doing. Open the tray. So when you open the tray, it automatically stops for a safety feature. And let's look at the water. It's quite a bit for such a short period of time. So when this is full, actually the full indicator will light on to stop the power. If you try to empty it, here's the stopper. You just pull up this tab, this rubber thing, and you can pour water from this hole. So let's put it back and let it continue to work.